영케이는 가수입니다. 영케이는 가수입니다. What does this sentence mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letter is 가수입니다. Because today, we're going to study about the word GASU. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 285. GASU. GASU. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ga, second syllable is su. Pronounce it with me. GASU. GASU. The word GASU is simply the Korean term for singer. Again, GASU is the Korean term for singer. Now, how do we write GASU in Hangul? This is composed of just two syllables. The first syllable is ga. This is written by drawing first a gya character followed by an a character. The second syllable su is written by drawing first a siyot character followed by an u character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word GASU. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, Young K is a singer. Again, Young K is a singer. The Korean translation of this sentence is Young K는 가수입니다. Again, Young K는 가수입니다. This sentence could be divided into two. The first part is Young K는. Young K is a Korean singer. He is a member of Day6. And 는 is added to the name Young K to say that Young K is the subject of this sentence. And then the second part of the sentence is 가수입니다. This is a declarative phrase which means is a singer. So 가수 is our word for today and it means singer. And 입니다 is used to declare or to say that something is something. So if these two parts are combined, it would result to a sentence that means Young K is a singer. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our sentence, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence Young K는 가수입니다 is simply Young K is a singer. And with that, you've just learned GASU. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 275 to 284. Don't forget our word for today, word number 285, GASU, which means singer. The first word for our review is word number 284, which is bada, which means ocean or sea. Word number 283 is sangson, which means fish. To be specific, it pertains to fish as a dish. Word number 282 is 과일, which means fruit. Word number 281 is 돕다, which means to help. Word number 280 is 주다, which means to give. Word number 279 is 화요일, which means Tuesday. Word number 278 is 나무, which means tree or wood. Word number 277 is 아주, which means very. Word number 276 is 조금, which means a little. And the last word for our review, word number 275, 수업, which means class or lesson. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.